Hi guys, I'm at the Fresno Hmong International New Year. Today we're going to go around and we're going to be asking a bunch of people some dating tips for you guys. And don't mind this fuzzy thing, this is our new microphone, so if you wonder what it is, it's a new microphone. Go ahead, let's go and meet some people here at the Fresno Hmong New Year. I want to ask you, how should you approach a Hmong girl at the Hmong New Year? If a girl is interested in dating you, how should she approach you?
I think that I'm a traditional girl, and so a lot of the time I'll be out buying, and I, just want a guy to come up and have a great smile on his face and just say, hi, my name's, Tu, and, you look beautiful. Can I get to know you? And then you start the conversation like that. And that's not creepy at all. That's actually, it shows you that you're confident and that it makes you actually really sexy.
So keep it simple.
Absolutely, yes.
You should just go and talk to him. Because most guys, they want girls to talk to them anyway. So it's a lot easier.
There's no secret. Simple as that.
Simple. Just talk to the guy if you like the guy.
Just anyone in general who wants to court someone. Something that would be just very nice is just as long as you're polite. I think that it's nice when someone is just very cordial and polite, and they'll introduce themselves, they'll say their name, they're confident, they give a good handshake, and that's about it for me. Yeah,
a good handshake. Let's try one. Yeah, handshake is really good. That was a good handshake.
Now you don't have to live.
Just let them claim you already.
Yo, quý bảo à?
So just don't be around the bush, just go right at it. Okay. All right.
Okay, first off, I think they should stop asking you, what did your mom and your dad eat to have you such a beautiful daughter? That is a no. But I think they should just come to you like how every day when they go out, and they should just usually how they talk to a stranger, like, oh, hello, like, how's your day? What did you do? What do you like about the New Year's or whatsoever? I just think that they just come at you too strong, and I feel like it's a myth of those lines, and I think that they always come to you like that,
I think it just starts with the introduction, just saying hi, and then wherever it goes from there, as long as they express interest.
Does that still work? Does that work?
I don't know. If a guy said that to me, I would laugh.
Oh.
I don't think it's sort of like an icebreaker approach, and then she's supposed to laugh, be like, haha, what's your name?
Hey, Columbe Rachia. Kaya say Rachia. And then
You gotta get the last name first, right?
and then you could jump in and then be like, well, I think he's kind of cute. You want to hang out later? Easy, that's it.
Simple. Keep it simple, right?
Remember, you get mine.
Oh, okay. 用语型了, okay? And I also want to ask you, why should people date Hmong men?
I mean, if it's talking about people outside of the Hmong race, I think it's just Hmong guys can be culturally different in a good way, and they can also be Americanized. I guess you kind of get somebody who is diverse and get to know them. So.
Oh, okay. So they're culturally in touch with their culture, and also have that modern mindset too, right?
Sure, at least I hope so. At least most Hmong men, at least.
Hmong guy, they're as growing up, we're taught to love our wife. Yeah, but then mostly we're taught to be the head, but not it's new generation, so it's kind of different now.
So you're taught to be the breadwinner of the house, right?
Yeah, basically.
All right.
Support the family. Yeah.
So they're family oriented.
I don't really have an answer for why, but I think if they're your preference, if you like Asian guys, I definitely would say Hmong men have the qualities,
What are some of the qualities?
Qualities are we're talented. We're very talented.
Just saying, right?
We could serenade you.
Can you tell us what is the creepiest way anybody has ever approached you?
A couple years ago, there was this really old grandpa. It's like as old as my grandpa, very old. He came up to me. I was hanging out with my cousins like this. We're just talking, and then he came up straight to me and he took my hand like this. 我明白，这个上高了了，要得过去落地，过这个木水结束。And then he dropped my hand and then he left.
Extremely creepy.
It was.
Extremely creepy.
Yes.
I have. I can't say at the New Year, but just other places. So.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about the experience?
Well, just more of a fan coming up to my workplace, but me not telling them where I work, which is kind of scary.
They literally went up to me and asked for my bust size.
No, never.
No, never?
Thank God.
Have you approached anybody in a very creepy way before?
Nah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
No, actually, I've never gotten approached in a creepy way at all. Yeah, I've never gotten that. I think, you know what I think? I think a lot of girls are scared to approach me. Yeah.
You don't know. You might change that. So you might get a creepy approach after this video.